For some context of this video, my friend recently bought flarp, which is noise pudding. It was getting late in the night, and our minds were fried, so we just thought this was the funniest thing ever. This is the result.
What was that?
Flarp?
That's
Should I just DM call Harpy and record it? Just go.
Dude, you know what you can do? Voice
What?
messages. Oh my god, this is what voice messages were made for.
Me playing with Flarp?
Did the librarian say anything?
I have not looked. I'm making the Flarp thing you told me to do. It worked?
You sent him Pugigi. Just send that to her. Just say nothing else. Just say flarp.
Do I do it in our chat or show her DM?
DM. Personalized flarp noises. Imagine it's 10 o'clock, you're sitting in bed, really tired, and someone sends you an anonymous voice message just saying flarp. Why is this like you're burping?
Dude, it sounds like I'm playing with my dick.
It does! It sounds like they just recorded that and then sent it with no context. Oh my gosh.
Dude, why should you still not call out their boyfriend?
Is that another guy texting you? No, it's just a friend, it's just a friend. Oh yeah, let me see. Flarp.
I'm gonna send another one to the chat with both of us.
This is by far the most stupid bit we've ever done.
Oh, it's silent. You can't even hear it.
Can you just caption it? Quiet flarp noises. Has the librarian said anything? No. Can you DM her? Can you DM your librarian flarp? Wait,
yes.
You can send that in the library server, can't you?
How do I save this?
I don't think you can save them, can you?
Fuck! That was so perfect.
That was perfect. Put that in the book chat.
I don't want to get banned.
I am perfectly okay with being banned as long as it's flarp.
Dude, I don't know if I want Miss to hear flarp.
You don't want her to hear flarp?
Cool flarp. Where'd you get it? My honest flarp.
Why does it look like you got braces?
Ask Harpy, why is he surrounded by flarp? And please DM that
What
too.
was
I don't
the
think
thing
it's
you were saying earlier? When my skin sheds.
He said to me with the most monotone voice, it's when I shed my skin. I don't think he's a
It's
real
when I shed my skin.
And you say, help, he's shedding.
He's shedding? Help, he's flarping. Okay, I'm gonna send a picture of this.
Well, I took like 80 photos.
Help, he's shedding. Where are you sending that? Dude, is it, what did you send? What was that?
Turn on the noise.
I can hear it. It just sends. Dude, don't send that to a random girl at 3 AM, man. They're gonna get the wrong message.
What the fuck did you text me? flarp. Dude, why is no one questioning what the fuck we're doing?
This is honestly the most 3 a.m. conversation we've ever had.
Fine. Should I call him and ask him for help?
Yes. I think we need more than help. I just can't get over the image of you with the flarp over your face.
I can put it over my ass if you want.
No.
My fucking ass. Theodore Rousseau's online.
Flarp.
Flarp.
Flarp. This is it. I found the scariest image of you.
Are you even listening?
No, I didn't listen to it.
One day you will have to answer for your actions. And God will not be so merciful.
Oh my god, Flarp!
Discord should have not added voice messages. It's just nothing. You just said nothing.
Oh my god, the Flarp! You hear it?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm gonna get banned.
Your librarian is just sitting there not knowing what to do in this situation. She was not trained for flarp.
Look at my screen.
Oh, hold up.
This is a professional player I know.
Okay.
That's a Smash player.
Professional Smash player. All his hopes and dreams gone by the flarp noises. Wait, hold on.
Are you ready to listen to it?
Flarp, 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 flarp. Only one person has responded to our antics. Dude,
Oh
I'm
god,
so...
the Flarp is near. God help me!
I cannot. My brain has not traveled 16 years just to be stopped by flarp.
Dude, I'm gonna. Dude, she put herself to do not disturb. Dude, how do you not respond to this?
I don't know. I'm gonna start DMing people flarp.
What the fuck did we cause?
Oh, can we start? Actually, can we just make a giant group chat? Wait.
Call here!
Well,
Why did you call here? Why did you call here?
my bad.
Oh, wait.
Welcome to Flarp.
Did you hear the one I sent?
Yeah.
The Flarp is powerful. The Flarp. Are they even online?
Everyone's online. No one responds. Why is no one responding to Flarp?
They're scared. Wait, you texted in here? Everyone hears. I was reporting us to Discord. I was added to a random group chat.
They start sending voice messages of them screaming and fart noises. Repeatedly saying Flarp.
Flarp
up.
Can we start one of those, you know those viruses where they send like porn? Can we do it, but they just send
They set your background of your PC as Flarp. it
I'm
back.
so tempted to call Rosmo's phone and ask him why the fuck there's flarp in my house. 'Cause then they start
Can I
collecting
text
on
your
you.
mom what flarp means?
No.
Oh wow, it's Zen. What's he texting me? What is flarp?
I'm so.
I am so
unreasonable.
unreasonable.
What's his name? What's their name? What's their name? Oh, shit! No, it's not letting me send it. There's flarp. It is. He's taking
Taking over. Oh, dude, what would I even title this video?
Flarp.
Just flarp.
In all caps.
Oh no, what is this voice message?
Tucker, please help me. The flarp's engaging me. Oh god. Oh god, help me, please. What what she says. Oh my god.
Dude. This is why they put this is why they put restriction on internet access. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that's it. That's enough flarp.
Dude, we need to leave this group chat before these people report us. I'm leaving.
So long, flarp.